You could imagine that in our laboratories in the past, we could create DRAM or the hard disk drive. But to transform an electrical grid, you gotta be in partnership with people who run an electrical grid. The Smart Energy Research Institute is a new collaborative research consortia that we have launched in partnership with a select group of utilities from around the world. It's aimed to accelerate the rate of innovation in the energy and utilities industry. Hydro-Quebec is one of the leading utilities in the world that operate their own research arm called IREC.
The grid is already pretty smart, so we have a lot of automation already working on the grid. The thing is, we see that grid evolving at a much faster pace than before, and so more automation, more analytics will support decision-making for planning new projects, new challenges in operation to optimize the grid performance and getting back as much as we can from that system. So it's going to evolve over time by introducing new intelligent application within the operations. But even though you do all you can, things will happen, right? So either very bad weather, magnetic storms, failure of a critical equipment. So having a more robust grid, more autonomous response very fast will help us mitigate those impacts and limit the impact on the grid and on the customer.
Alliander is the leading electric and gas provider in the Netherlands. They are a utility that is very forward-looking, that are extremely committed to their vision of what they call the energy transition, this transformation to a more distributed production model, and how they facilitate that transition to reduce the overall level of carbon emissions throughout the Netherlands.
We cannot solve the problems on our own. So we work with local governments, but we also work with research institutes, with other companies within the energy chain, but also technology partners like IBM to come up with solutions that can face our challenges. IBM has a very diverse experience in different types of industries, deep expertise in the technology, how to do mass calculations on data. And by bringing our knowledge about the grid and our data into SERI, I think if you can combine that, you can really get out of the best of it.
Essential aspect of SERI is the physical infrastructure that we have built in support of it, our Smarter Energy Lab here at the T.J. Watson Research Center, our sister laboratories that we also have in China Research Lab and India Research Lab. The collaboration approach is also very important. Our telepresence rooms that we have to collaborate with other researchers, annual conference, workshops that we have here and at the client sides and at the partner side. We are inviting more members. We want a core group that is going to be focused on this transformation and innovation. And what we want to give the SERI members is that we want them to disproportionately benefit from the information and communication technologies revolution. So that select group of members are the ones who are really going to be at the leading edge of transforming the industry. Coupling the power engineering expertise that the members have with the advanced analytic, predictive analytics, optimization, advanced computation skills that IBM and IBM Research have brings the best of both worlds, because innovation happens when we carry knowledge from one area to another.